Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create automated payslip in Excel. So for us to proceed with this one right here, what we're going to do is just follow this information right here, and then this is going to be our payslip, say for example. So we have the employee ID here. Basically, I just copied the employee IDs here. So say for example that one. So we're going to go ahead and start. And then for the name, this is where we're going to use a VLOOKUP formula. So go ahead and click formulas, look up references, and then choose VLOOKUP right here. So this is very important. I want you to follow me. Lookup value, it's going to be B6. So this will be our reference right now. And then table array, let's go ahead and click sheet 2. Make sure you delete this one right here, and then you just copy this entirely. So yeah, once that's done, we're going to choose column index. So since we're talking about name, it's going to be the employee name. So I'm going to go ahead and choose here too. Remove that again. Oops, just make sure. I'm going to copy that. There you go. And then let's go ahead and type here false. Hit OK, and there you go. Now, there are a few things that we're going to do here. We want to ensure that when we are going to change it to the others, these is going to change as well. So I'm going to go ahead and type here F4, same thing, A6, and then for the L10 as well. So yeah, once it's done, copy this one, hit enter, and from this point forward, it's just going to be copying and pasting. So all we have to do is change the column number or column index number right here. So this is going to be 3 because that is going to be for the department. The same thing for the status, that's going to be 4, enter, and basically what's happening is that this is just counting here the column. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. So we're just going to do that one for all of these here. Now you have to take note that the retirement and contribution falls under deductions, so we have to account that as well. This should be number 5 because the last one here is 4. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward this for you guys, but basically that's the entire idea. Now for the retirement contribution, we ended at 7 here, but retirement contribution actually falls under the 9th one, so yeah, be careful of that as well, or the 10th rather. 9, let's see, yeah, 9, and then 10. All right, there you go. So we got most of these already. Now all that's left is for us to get a total. So just calculate this one, a sum. There you go. And then the same thing. Let's just go ahead and here, gonna use this one, right? Okay, so now final pay or net pay. So we're just going to minus it. And there you go. So yeah, now we're done. So basically, if I'm going to change this one, say for example, everything else should be changing as well. Now, to make this easier as well, we have an idea. Click data here. Oops, data, and then we're gonna look for data validation. We're gonna turn that into a list. Source code, click the sheet, this one, click this, hit OK, and basically you can just go ahead and start clicking this one right here. You can also go ahead and do the alternate. You can begin with the name here and then employee ID. So definitely depends on your choice. But basically, this is a working payslip already. You can go ahead and start using this one and printing this for your employees. So yeah, that is how you are going to create automated payslip in Excel.